After all that heavy monsoon rain and flooding, it's only natural that the garden beds are now covered in wild grass and unwanted weeds. The soil looks exhausted, messy and compacted. But that's nothing to worry about. With a little time and care, we can bring it back to life. The process is simple and completely doable. We'll begin by clearing out every bit of weed from the bed. Make sure to pull them out from the roots, because if any roots remain, the weeds will return quickly and compete with your vegetables. Once the weeds are gone, the garden already starts to look cleaner. But underneath, the soil is still heavy and compact due to all that rain. So the next step is to loosen it up. Using a shovel, gently turn over the top layer of soil. There's no need to dig deep, just focus on the upper few inches. This light turning allows the soil to breathe again and makes it soft and crumbly. As you work, break down any large clumps into smaller pieces. This improves drainage and helps air move freely through the soil. Roots grow best in loose, well-aerated soil, not one that's hard and sticky. Once the soil is loosened, it's time to fix the level. Because of the heavy monsoon, the soil might have settled and lowered, which causes rainwater to collect inside the bed. To correct this, spread a layer of loamy garden soil on top. Loamy soil is ideal because it holds just the right amount of moisture while allowing excess water to drain away. Raising the level a bit will also protect your plants from future flooding. Now comes the part where we feed the soil. We'll use two natural and highly effective amendments: neem cake powder and bone meal powder. Neem cake powder, made from neem seeds after oil extraction, works as a slow-release fertilizer. It keeps nourishing your plants for weeks and naturally protects the soil from harmful insects and worms. It's both food and medicine for your garden bed. Bone meal powder, on the other hand, is rich in phosphorus and calcium, nutrients essential for strong root growth and healthy flowering. It helps plants develop a sturdy foundation and enhances the soil's ability to store nutrients. Together, neem cake and bone meal create a balanced and fertile environment for your plants. After sprinkling these powders evenly, we'll add a final enriching layer: fully decomposed manure or good quality compost. Manure is packed with organic matter and beneficial microbes that greatly improve soil fertility and texture. But make sure it's completely decomposed, as fresh manure can burn roots and harm seedlings. Well-decomposed manure, however, is gentle, rich, and full of life. It adds humus, which helps retain moisture and gives the soil a soft, lively feel. Once the manure is spread out, gently mix everything together: the neem cake, bone meal, and manure. There's no need for deep digging. Just blend the top layer so everything mixes evenly. Then smooth out the surface with your shovel to make it level and tidy. This even surface helps your seeds settle properly when planted. Now the bed is ready for a fresh beginning. You can sow your seeds directly into this soft, nutrient-rich soil. Make small furrows or holes, place your seeds inside, and cover them lightly with soil. After planting, give the bed a good watering. This helps the soil settle, removes air pockets, and provides the right amount of moisture for germination. By following these simple steps, you've transformed a messy, flood-damaged bed into a healthy and fertile growing space. The raised soil protects your plants from future rains, neem cake nourishes and safeguards them, bone meal strengthens their roots, and the manure fills the soil with life again. Before long, fresh green shoots will appear, a beautiful sign that your garden has healed and is ready to flourish once more.